Hello my dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. Well, this is Neha Srivastav and today I am standing here for my introduction. So before saying anything, I'd like to pay heartily thanks to my honorable sir who has given me this marvelous chance to speak before you. So firstly, I'd like to tell you about my qualification. I've completed B.Ed from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth Varanasi and recently I am doing language training from LOGAN'S International Institute. And if we talk about my destination, so I want to become a teacher because I like this job. I like to spend time with children, and after that I want to tell you about my family background. So I belong to service class family and my father was foreman in a government college and my mother was a teacher, and I have 3 sisters and 1 elder brother. And lastly, if you talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are dancing, singing, playing badminton, and one more thing guys, I want to tell you that I do yoga and exercise. If you want to be fit and stay healthy, so you should do also, and it makes you fit and healthy. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me very carefully.